Hey guys, welcome back once again. I'm Thomas and Shruti back again with very different topic for you guys, that is blogging. Blogging is the act of writing and publishing content, that is articles and posts on the website to share information, ideas and experiences, to engage readers, to share information and to earn money online. In short, blogging is nothing but posting content on a regular basis on the internet. Similarly, what can you learn? There are some courses through which you can learn blogging and how to do it and how can you make money from it. And there's a course that is curated for you guys. And what can you learn from that course is you can learn how to build successful blogs from scratch and elevate your existing blog. You can and how not to run out of ideas to write about and continue for that blog and grow your audience. Turn your passion into a profitable blogging niche. Of course, you must have a niche that on that you can write a blog. That is, you have some experience about laptops or you have some experience about smartphones or in fashion or any different topic. This is just an example I'm giving. You can have a blog on finance related things. You can have blog on bank cards. You can have a blog on any idea you have or from any industry sector you are from and you have interest in blogging. Then you can definitely start it. Now blogging, it can be a hobby for you, and from that hobby you can create a passive earning. Okay, so you can definitely turn that passion into a profitable blogging. So there are some rules that you can use, that you can learn to post blog types. You will learn how to develop a mindset of a successful blogger, and you can also learn that how Google and different search engines can bring visitors for free to your blog. So there are some secrets and hacks that you will be learning through this course. There are some secret tricks. Of course, जो बहुत टाइम से ब्लॉगिंग कर रहे हैं, of course they understand through their fail and hit and trial method that what should be done and what should not be done. So those are the tricks that will be taught to you, or you will be learning through this blogging, through this course, that you can use to create excellent, easy to read content that can be understood and read by people of all ages. Of course, kids cannot learn from that, but yeah, you can learn how to create a content that will be understood by a large audience, right? So guys, if you want to be a professional blogger or if you want to learn something about blogging, then you must check out this course. I have given the barcode and the link below in the description, and all the details about this course below in the description. You can check it out, and if you are interested, you can definitely purchase the course through that link. So guys, if you're really interested, you can check out more details about this course below in the link below, and I hope you like this course. And so this course is for beginners. It's a first step in blogging. So I hope you will really like this course. And if you like it, you can definitely check out the link below in the description and all the details. So guys, I hope you like this video. And if you like this video, please hit the like button. And उस छोटे से बेल आइकन को टैप करना बिल्कुल मत भूलिएगा, जिससे कि आपको आगे की वीडियोस का नोटिफिकेशन मिल जाए. So guys, अगर आपको ऐसे ही कंटेंट पसंद हो तो प्लीज हिट द लाइक बटन एंड सब्सक्राइब माय चैनल. So guys, तब तक के लिए toodles.